Hello students, this is question number 11 from paper 20 from the year 2023, paper 2-1, paper 2-1 0580, May June 21, year 2023, extended. Here I am gonna show how to find out the center of rotation. This question was explained, but center of rotation was not explained, like how to draw the mark the center of rotation without the tracing paper. So first of all you have to use your rulers and draw the straight lines to the two corresponding vertices of the given triangles. So A onto C, these two triangles. So the vertices which we are joining, you have to join using the rulers. I have the facility of the straight line, but you need to use your ruler. So this vertex to this vertex and this vertex to this vertex. Then using a compass, draw the perpendicular bisectors of the lines. So use your compass, put it on the one of the lines, and taking more than half, draw the arcs on both sides of the line. I am taking this line, so I am drawing the arc. On the other side also you draw the arc. Take the same center of rotation, I see same radii. Taking the same radii, you need to draw the cut that arc. This arc is not getting cut, so let me take once again and extend that arc, the previous arc. Now it is cut, these two arcs are cut. Then join these two lines, these 2 points you can join using a ruler again. So this is the red color line which I had drawn the bisector for that line. The bisector is drawn for the first line. Now the next line, take at one of the end of that line, take more than half. Let me take like this, more than half. Then draw an arc, change the color. I am changing because you should recognize it, that's why I am changing. Oh, the color is not changed. Okay, anyhow, cut it. So this is the point. Changing the color, draw the line. So these two lines, they are intersecting at 3, 1. intersecting at 3 1. So this will be the center of rotation, and the rotation is 90-degree clockwise. So write down the answer as rotation 90 degrees clockwise, center of rotation is 3 1.